Untangling the Mystery, Dashes and Hyphens in English Grammar. Hello language learners. Welcome to another exciting video in our English Grammar Fundamentals series. Today, we'll be discussing an often misunderstood yet important aspect of punctuation: dashes and hyphens. Many people use these two punctuation marks interchangeably, but did you know they serve different purposes in written English? Let's dive in and uncover the mystery of dashes and hyphens. First off, let's talk about the dash. This punctuation mark is longer than the hyphen, and it's primarily used to create a strong interruption within a sentence or to introduce additional information. For instance, consider the sentence: I have 3 pets, a dog, a cat, and a hamster. In this sentence, the dash introduces additional information, giving more details about the pets. Dashes are also often used in pairs, much like parentheses, to encase additional remarks within a sentence. My brother, who always loved animals, decided to become a vet. Now, let's turn our attention to the hyphen. The hyphen is a small horizontal line used to link words together. It's often used in compound words, whether they're compound adjectives, compound nouns, or compound verbs. For example, in the sentence, the well-known actor arrived at the premiere, the hyphen connects well and known to form a compound adjective describing the actor. Now that we've defined each punctuation mark, let's highlight the key differences between the dash and the hyphen. 1. Size. The dash is longer than the hyphen. 2. Usage. The dash is used to create a break or to introduce additional information in a sentence, while the hyphen is used to connect words together. 3. Reading flow. A dash often indicates a pause when reading, while a hyphen doesn't disrupt the reading flow, as it binds words together. There you have it. We've untangled the mystery of dashes and hyphens. They might look similar, but as we've seen, they have different roles in sentence construction. Remember, when you want to connect words, use a hyphen. But, if you're looking to insert a pause or additional information, a dash is your go-to punctuation mark. I hope this video has clarified the differences for you. Keep practicing, and you'll master the use of dashes and hyphens in no time. See you in our next English Grammar Fundamentals video. Happy learning!